Tired of that annoying keyboard click-clack echoing through your headphones every time you type in Opera GX? Today, I'm going to quickly show you how to silence those typing sounds, creating a much more peaceful browsing experience. First, let's open up Opera GX. Next, look for the three dots at the bottom of the left sidebar. Click on these dots to reveal more options. Then select Go to Full Browser Settings. Now, in the Settings page, use the search bar at the top, type in Sound to quickly find the relevant settings. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Sound. Within this section, you should find an option called Enable Keyboard Feedback Sounds. Simply toggle this switch to the off position. This will immediately disable the keyboard typing sounds within Opera GX. And that's it. Now you can type in Opera GX without those distracting sounds. Enjoy a quieter and more focused browsing session. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Opera GX tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.